Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making hypo that you can use it for white, use it to wash your toilet everywhere. So like this channel, give a thumbs up and share with friends and families. Thank you. Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back. Today we are going to make our clean that is hypo that we use at home to wash any white or our toilet. So this is all the chemical that I'm going to use here. I have here chloride, then I have soda ash, then industrial salt that is here. Then I have also caustic soda. This is my caustic soda here. Then I have my chloride that is here. Then I'm going to mix them one after the other. Then I allowed it for 24 hours before I use it. So like this video, give a thumbs up and share with friends and family. See you in my next video. Then subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you. So guys, we are going to start by mixing it. As you can see, all the chemical, I mix it one after the other. This is number one here. Then this is number two here. Then number three. I'm using 4 chemicals here. Then this is number 4. So I'm starting with number 1. This is my number 1 here. With a separate bowl, I'll mix it, then pour it into the main bowl. So I'm going to add the number 1 now into this bowl. This is number 1. adding the number 2 now. Adding the number 3. Hypo will be ready by tomorrow. You have to keep it till the next day before using it. See you in my next video. Thank you. Yeah, guys, let's open the Hypo and check how it is. Wow. Our Hypo is ready. See how it is, ready for packaging. So clean. See you in my next video. Thank you.